All right, back in the GnarlyChicken garage. We've got a new player in the game.
Yeah, just some overlanding. That overlanding stuff.
Yeah, Chicken just traded in his
2017 Tacoma.
Yep, souped up Tacoma, and picked up this 2021 Rubicon Gladiator. So he brought it out to the garage and got a tonneau cover for it that he's prepping. Here's the tonneau cover. It's going to be different seeing Husqvarna in the back of a Gladiator as opposed to a blue Tacoma.
Yeah, Gladiator on 35s.
It's sharp. Yep. He's putting 35s on it for the summer. He's keeping the stock tires on it, the Wild Peak 32s for the winter. You doing suspension on this or no?
Yep.
Yeah. Suspension lift?
Yeah. Hard to decide right now. There's so many good kits. Evo makes an excellent kit. Terraflex is a wicked kit. Rock Crawler has a triangulated 4-link. There's a lot of options out there.
Yeah. What's in this? 3.5?
3.6.
3.6.
8-speed auto.
8-speed automatic. Loaded. Heated seats, wheel, front lockers. It's a true off-roader. Beautiful rig. So we might start doing some videos on possibly some Jeep builds. You never know. Stay tuned.